Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I prepare the simple and delicious bolognese sauce. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate, and let's get started. In a clean dry pot, I added in some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. Once that is done heating up, I add in some salt, chopped onions and stir fry for like 2 minutes. Then add in your minced meat. Keep stirring until it is well combined. Fry until it is fully cooked and no pink showed at all in the meat. As you can see here on the screen, it is well cooked now, so I went ahead to scoop it out. Once that is done, set it aside. Next, in the same pot, add in some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, add in your chopped onions and stir fry for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, pour in your tomato paste and keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes now, add in the cooked minced meat. Mix to combine. I added ginger and garlic cube, chicken broth, some curry powder. Stir, add in some seasoning cubes, salt to taste, chopped carrots, mix to combine. Now go ahead and add in some water to it, depending on how thick or light you prefer yours. So once done, cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Open the pot and give it a gently stir. Turn up the heat. Our bolognese sauce is ready. It can be served with spaghetti or in whichever way you prefer it. Most especially the kids, they love bolognese sauce. Honestly, if you haven't tried out this sauce, I don't know what you're still waiting for. Try it out and you will love this amazing recipe. It tasted so super delicious and yummy-licious. Hope you find this recipe helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.